In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a 500 internal server error using Plesk in just a few simple steps. This common server error can be frustrating to encounter, but don't worry, I'm here to help you navigate through it smoothly. So, without further ado, let's dive straight in and get your site back up and running in no time. First things first, to tackle this issue, you need to log into Plesk. If you're not familiar, Plesk is a web hosting platform that provides a user-friendly interface for managing your web servers and websites. You'll want to have your login credentials handy to access your dashboard. Once you've logged in, you'll see a range of options on your main screen, giving you control over various aspects of your hosting environment. Next, you'll need to navigate to the Domains section. You can find this option in the main menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking on it will take you to a list of all the domains currently associated with your account. Now scroll through this list and find the domain experiencing the 500 internal server error. It might be helpful to have the domain name handy to speed up this process. Once you've located your domain, click on it to reveal a set of options specific to that particular website. Now, head over to the File Manager. For those unfamiliar, the File Manager allows you to view and edit all the files associated with your domain. Consider it like a filing cabinet for all your website's important documents. You can organize, rename, or modify files as needed. Once you're in the File Manager, the next step is to find the .htaccess file. This file is crucial because it controls many of the server's operations, and it can sometimes be the culprit behind a 500 error. The .htaccess file is typically located in the root directory of your website. When you find it, you'll need to rename it to something else. For example, htaccessback. Renaming this file essentially deactivates it, allowing you to check if it was the cause of the issue. After you've renamed the .htaccess file, try reloading your website. If it loads without the 500 error, then you've identified the .htaccess file as the problem. This quite often means there was an error or misconfiguration within the file. From here, you can start troubleshooting that file specifically and correct any mistakes or typos in the directives. However, if your site still doesn't load, the issue might lie elsewhere, and you may need to explore additional solutions, such as reviewing the server logs or examining other files for issues. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've tackled the 500 internal server error with confidence using Plesk. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy troubleshooting.